Okay, we're now looking on page 18, and number 67, Warm Up Lullaby, is only for bells. So you'll be doing that on bells, not on drum. So now we're going to look at line number 68. Ezekiel saw the wheel, duet. Now we look down and find the snare drum part at the bottom of your 4 staves there. And notice the little X means to play on the rim. So we have, on the 3rd space, we have the drum, and then on the rim for the X's. So let's go over that. So I will count 3. This comes in on 4. We do the first 2 measures, the first ending, repeat back, do the first 2 measures, and then the second ending. Remember, the X's are up on the rim, the notes are on the drum head. Here we go. I'll give you 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. So we'll make a difference between our pianos and our fortes, and I would stay on just with 1 stick on the drum head and 1 stick on the rim. Just makes it easier. So keep backing that up and going over it until you're used to playing on both the rim and on the drum head. Okay, this is line 69, rhythm time. Notice underneath these first note of each measure, we have an accent mark. It's a little sideways triangle. Tells us to put a little more emphasis on that note. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. With the accented note having a little bit more emphasis. So let's clap and count together number 69. Here we go. 1, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, hold, 2, hold, 3. So keep backing that up and going over it and clapping and counting and putting a little bit more emphasis on the accented notes than the other. Okay, this is number 69, rhythm time. We've already clapped and counted this. So now we're ready to play through it. Make sure as we go through this that we play our accents a little harder than we do the other notes. Here we go. I'll give you 3. 1, ready, now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So keep backing it up, going over, and try to give those accented notes a little more emphasis than the others. Okay, this is number 70, Sight Reading Challenge, Streets of Laredo. And it tells us to play on suspended cymbal with yarn mallets. It means we don't strike it with anything except the yarns. Now I'm going to stabilize the cymbal with my left hand and play on the crown with my right. So we have dotted half notes, and those are measure repeats, so we have to keep up with what measure we're in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 measures before we have a change. So let's try this. Ready? 1, ready, now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second ending, and 1, 2, 3, off. So keep going over that and just get the feel of playing that with the mallet on the suspended cymbal. You can do that in the band room even if you don't have a cymbal at home. Okay, this is number 71, Skill Builder, Donkey Riding. In this, it gives us sticking, and the 3rd and 4th measures is a 2-measure repeat, which tells us to play what we did in the first two measures in the place of that two measure repeat. So as we go through this, we want to use the correct sticking and make sure we put the multiple bounces as it shows toward the end. Okay, I'll give you two and then we're ready to go. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Rest. So keep going over that. Work on the flams. We actually have a flam paradiddle there. Flam, left, right, right, left, right, left. And on the left, right, left, we do the multiple bounces. So work on that till we've got the flams, we have the sticking correct, and then we're getting those multiple bounces in there.